if a waterspout goes onto land, then
Right.
it's technically a tornado, right? But
Right.
how often does that happen?
So there's two types of waterspouts. I think that's the easiest way to start with that. There's a tornadic waterspout, which is in a severe thunderstorm. Those can go on land. And then there's fair weather waterspouts, which are what we're seeing now. We see them in the fall all the time. They barely move. They form with a cumulus cloud. There's nothing severe about it. They're a marine hazard. You know, you don't want to obviously take your boat in them, but they usually dissipate when they come to land. The way they form, you have warm water and cold air over it. That's why you see them August, September, October, and the warm air likes to rise off the water. Wind comes in, circulates, and eventually it'll catch up with the cloud. So I hope that helps. They're not severe, nothing crazy. I know they're ominous to look at, but some 50-plus waterspouts in the Great Lakes today, Lena.
So, today. So here I am. Okay, if you took a picture of one,
right? A lot of them
took a picture of the other 49, that'd be great.
Right. A lot of them were Lake Huron today, so our Canadian viewers, you know, they're the ones that could have sent them in. But always interesting when we have cool air coming over warm water this time of year. So how long is this going to last? It certainly has been very refreshing around here air mass wise. And we just had a reinforcing shot come in today. It did kick off some showers and thunderstorms. We had some really efficient rainfall producers earlier today moving through the viewing area. They're now out, still dealing with some hit or miss showers. A couple rumbles of thunder with this one in the last half hour here, heading out of Lake County into areas near Chardon, northern areas of Geauga County. Thompson heading down towards the south. Pretty good downpour. It's not going to last long. You look out over the lake, we have a couple more downpours, couple moving into Lorain County. These should start to fade once we lose the heating of the day. Wouldn't be surprised if a couple of these were attached to waterspouts over the next hour or so. You typically see those in the morning up through about midday, but still can't rule it out. Frontal boundaries down to the south. We have a little wave of energy. You see the secondary swirl here heading south. That has helped to kick off some of these showers that'll push in over the next couple hours. The other thing, Lena mentioned how hazy it was. I don't know if you've noticed that today, but we had more wildfire smoke back from these fires up in Canada with that northwest wind. It's been pretty thick over the last 24 hours. Can't really tell when it's raining, right? That's going to push out. We get a refreshing air mass, beautiful visibility tomorrow, and then we'll talk perhaps some more hazy skies in here Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Something interesting to know. Temperatures, though, refreshing. August 1st, everybody. Welcome, August. It is feeling great. Dew points, that's why it feels so great. Dew points are low. There's not a lot of moisture to work with in the atmosphere right now, especially after that front. All the heat pushed down to the south. It's actually relaxing warmth out towards the west where they've had triple-digit heat. They're in the 80s, but that will rebound. Temperatures tonight, it's going to be kind of fall-like into the upper 50s, low 60s. You see how we clear those skies out. Wind will be fairly light as well. National Design Martin hour-by-hour forecasts. Yeah, when we bring warm air over the cool air over the warmer lake, you can see we still have some hit or miss showers of the lake effect variety perhaps tomorrow morning, but I think we'll have enough dry air that we'll see lots of sunshine tomorrow. Couple puffy cumulus clouds in the afternoon as you get away from the lake. If you're along the lake shore, it's going to be pure sunshine tomorrow. Just gorgeous. Mid-70s for highs, low humidity as well. Beyond that, well, we do start to bring the heat back. You see the dip in the jet stream responsible for our cool air. That heat way out towards the west will start to move again. It will expand here, and all indication is by next weekend, we're back into that heat again. In fact, Climate Prediction Center saying, yeah, we've got a real good chance of some warmer than average weather as we get into the 6 and 10-day range. And what comes with that this time of year? Humidity. And we certainly will see more humidity building this week. So an upward trend to our temperatures this week. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. I've got us dry with just an isolated shower Wednesday, Thursday with a system towards our east. Otherwise dry this week and temps climbing back up near 90.
Boy,
so
it just steadily goes up.
No more waterspouts next week.
Okay, thanks so much, Matt.